A perfect dish for day you don't want to cook, but you're the cook of the family and the responsibility is still there. Hey guys, let's do it! Our sweet and savory sauce consists of honey, soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, basil or oregano, and many others that will deliver a beautiful concoction that is so good that we don't need all the prep work of searing, chopping onion, garlic, something like that. We want this as easy as possible while still have a tasty dish at the end. I'm doing a 3.5 hours on high setting with my slow cooker. You can also use an Instant Pot pressure cooker as well. Probably need only 1 to 1.5 hours max. If you prefer a thicker sauce, you can make a slurry to mix in with the sauce. My chicken is so fruit tender, but it still have a little bit of chewiness and holding its shape very well. So how long to cook depends on how you like the texture of your chicken be. Wow, wow, wow. It looks so good. My favorite is serving it with rice, but pasta, noodles, potatoes, bread, or you can also shred it, then mix with the sauce to go with tortillas, tacos, anything you like. Really. You got to try it. It's a no-brainer recipe. You have a wonderful day, okay? Bye-bye.